morning, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings. I'm going to show you how to use the Kahubaby carrier with a 3-month-old doll. So this is the Kahubaby. It has an inbuilt cincher strap in the panel. So that's on its smallest. So this will fit from roughly newborn all the way out to about 2 years. So adjust your strap to the size of your baby's legs from knee pit to knee pit across their bottom. When you've done that, turn it upside down and pop it label facing out fairly high on your body. The younger the child, the higher up this will be. Your baby's head's going to be up on the firm part of your chest, so wherever baby's bottom is in relation to their head is about where your waistband will go. So nice and high. Then get your baby. And holding baby centrally on your front, with their knees up higher than their bottom. Find your panel of material and bring it up over baby's back. Take your straps over your shoulders, keeping one hand on baby at all times. I'm going to show you how to cross the straps first, and then I'll show you it with rucksack straps or H straps. So one hand on baby, reach under the first strap and get hold of the second strap. Pull it straight down towards your bottom and round to the clip. And the hand holding baby can slide over, hold the clip and tighten. One pulls back to tighten and one pulls forward. Swap hands on baby, reach for the opposite strap, straight down, round, clip in. When you're tightening, don't pull up or down or away. You're going to pull the fabric back in the direction it came from. So not up, not down, not out, but slide it back in the direction it came from, and it makes it much easier. So safety checks. Are baby's airways clear and visible, and is baby held tight enough? If baby's body is pulling away from you, you need to tighten it up a bit. So first thing to do is to lift the strap up, to lift the slack out of the strap, pull the slack round towards the buckle and then tighten. Repeat on the other side, slack out of the carrier, hold it there, slack round to the buckle and tighten. Again, checking baby's airways are clear and visible and that they're held tight enough. Fabric's nice and smooth over their back, they're supported knee to knee and you're comfortable. The cross of the strap should be nice and low on your back for optimum comfort. If they start to slide up to your neck, you'll probably start aching a little bit, so make sure they're on your shoulders and crossing low down on your back. So I will now show you rucksack straps or H straps. So clip your straps together on the same side they come from. Loosen the shorter straps. Your chest clip is the one that links the two straps together. So I've slid that down to the lowest point on the straps, and I'll show you why in a minute. So clip that clip together And you've loosened your straps off. Find your baby. Again, positioning them centrally on your front. Bringing the panel of fabric up over their back. Then you find that chest clip. Take those straps up over your head like a t-shirt. And then we need to tighten them up. One pulls backwards, one pulls forwards. If you're struggling pulling that strap backwards, you can always reach round the opposite side and use the opposite arm. You could use your elbow as a lever, or you can twist the fabric in your fingers and it gives you a bit more leverage to pull. And the reason I made my chest strap low on the straps is so that it's now low on my back. Same as where your cross would be with crossed straps, your chest strap will be nice and low in between shoulder blades, about bra strap level. That helps to spread baby's weight evenly. If it's too high, it's pulling through the shoulders too much. Again, safety checks remain the same. Are baby's airways clear and visible, and are they held tight enough? If they need to be tightened, again, we'll take the slack out of the carrier, pull it round to the buckles before tightening it off. There we go, the Kahubaby. To get out of this carry, the easiest way would be to unclip your clip there, but if you can't reach that clip, you can loosen your straps off and that clip will slide up towards the back of your neck and you can unclip it from there. Thank you.